You don't have to hunt for the best Easter ideas.
The Dollar Tree Dilemma Diva has already found them, and this year I challenge you to get all of your Easter supplies from Dollar Tree too. Let's get hopping. Make affordable spring memories by decorating eggs with $1 coloring supplies. I recommend adding vinegar to the dye for brighter colors. Spread spring cheer with popular toys that make great classroom party favors, prizes, and awards. This year, affordably host egg hunts with Dollar Tree's $1 baskets, eggs, and candy. Assign one plastic egg color to each child so everyone has a chance to fill up their basket. Create themed Easter baskets for the entire family with a huge variety of supplies. Whether colorful baskets or sports-themed fun, Dollar Tree has everything you need. And don't forget your Easter decor too. Ready to hop into Easter fun? Head to your local Dollar Tree today and outsmart the Easter Bunny. With Dollar Tree, what will you find?